Am I audible, guys? Can you see my screen? No, you can't see. You can't hear. No? Yeah, you can hear. Both is audible. Okay, screen is also visible. You're audible. Sure? No? 100% sure you can hear me? I'm shouting at you right now. No? You can hear. Is there any internet problem? Can you see my PPT? Can you see this? You should tell me. Okay, you should inform me either the chat box, WhatsApp, Gmail, or anything else. Twitter, Instagram, anything is okay. But then you have to inform me. Okay? Any background disturbances? Anything is there? Please tell me. Okay? I'm really concerned about you guys. You're the future of the nation. Should take care of you and teach you and put education inside your head, even if it doesn't fit. Which one should I wear for today?
Okay, class, so everybody are present, right? Let me quickly take the attendance of everyone now. So that's how a square and b square and the x comes, okay? So everybody have finished it, I hope. So the notes, okay? If you haven't, then please ask your friends. But if you don't share, please give the name of the friends who did not do the homework so that I can shout at them. Okay, here comes to the poet's mind, what the darling dreamers that it refers to. Please take these notes down. Didn't I mention that? Okay, anyways, I'll not repeat what I said. You have to take these notes down. The poet's mind is a simple major memory that comes to his mind. Darling dreamers are those kids going fast. I'll show you a sample PPT for the class. Please do watch carefully because I'll be going slowly for you guys. So that is the PPT for the sample. Please don't ask me to send this in the classroom. I'm really busy. Lu, absent. Ramu, absent. Lela, Leela, absent.
Present, ma'am.
Golu, now you're saying I marked your absence a long time ago. I'm gonna mark you absent.
Better than this is to leave the class.
If you leave the class tomorrow, also I'm going to mark you absent.
Okay, class, today we're going to learn about the next chapter. Bhaiya ji, aao. You came finally. Thought today also you will be absent. What happened? Why you didn't come yesterday? You thought online classes? I can skip it. Teachers won't notice. Teachers they have this power pack chip inside, okay? Just because it's online distance when you come back to school, no? Anyways, what was the reason?
Sorry, ma'am. I had a family meeting.
Oh, yeah. Family gathering. Oh, well, I checked your social media and Instagram. I think it was last Wednesday. No, Thursday, 9:30. You posted something. There was a family gathering. How many families? Nikki, you came. Do you remember last semester when we were on the campus? No corona. You came 5 minutes late for the maths class. I remember all that. Now one more time you come late for online classes. No, I'll tell your parents what happened. Roshan.
Present, ma'am.
Neeti.
Present, ma'am.
Rockstar Hacker. Rockstar Hacker? Who is this new student? Switch on your camera. Switch it on right. Oh, exited. Let him come back again. I'll show you one of the face. Golo. Okay, class. Okay, this question skip. This question we did it. Last class we did it. This one A, B, C, D, E, F, G all homework. What, I'm giving too much homework? You are lazy. You cannot move your hand. How much homework I'm giving? 2 or 3. That also you cannot do. Means why you are coming online classes? You go and sit home only. Home only you are sitting. But still don't attend online classes. Here many students are there who all want to learn. Anyways, these all are homework. The next 10-15 questions also you do it as homework, okay? Okay, it's a very important call. It's from the headmistress. So I'm going to mute myself, okay? Sujata. Yeah, nothing simple. I'm in online. What? You are also in online classes? Yeah, people will sit here, so they are sitting there happily and we are breaking our throat. Why we are breaking? Let them also relax, we also relax. Chill, yaar, life is small. Bye. Okay, I got a really important call from ma'am and she said everybody should be attentive in the class. Okay, let's get back. And 29th question also homework. Yeah, I was very hungry. Snacks time, no. If you all are also hungry, you can bring something to eat. We'll look at each other and eat it'll be like a nice dinner. Don't tell it to ma'am, but she'll call me and then again shout at me like that time. So, if you want, you can bring your snacks. I have no problem. Not like other teachers. Question number 2 is homework. We didn't do the 23rd question. I told you to listen to the class, no? What you were doing? When I taught? Last class I taught, no? You were there, I know.
We haven't done this yet
We didn't do this. Then do it, no?
because you haven't taught us yet.
Oh, I didn't teach. I'll teach next class. This from 30th to 75 full homework. Okay, welcome everyone to the English class. Today we're going to learn about a lesson called Me Lost in Mysore. Pardon?
Ma'am, you had told us once that you went on a trip to Mysore.
I'm glad you asked. It was in 1975. Why are these many cameras going off? Anyways, back to the topic. It was in 1979. Me, my husband, and my 2 children. We went to the Mysore Palace and deeply from my heart. I don't know how till now how to express the feeling, that pleasure, that sense of resonance when I went there. It was deeply admirable. And the story.
Loud.
Oh my god, children, it's 11:30. I quickly finished my story, okay? And then there we went and bought ice cream. And that's how we found an amazing channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Next chapter. War. What happens in a war? People die. How do they die? You never know. Okay. Death. Death can happen anytime. Can it not? Rockstar hacker. You hack into the meetings, don't you? What if I hack into your house one day? Just kidding. Next chapter. Murder. That can happen anytime.